In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close your Stripe account with ease and confidence. Whether you're transitioning to another system, consolidating your business operations, or simply no longer needing your Stripe account, this guide will walk you through the necessary steps. Let's dive in and make sure you know exactly what to do. First, the starting point of our journey is to head over to Stripe. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in Stripe's URL directly into the address bar. Once you're on the home page, you'll need to log in using the credentials associated with the account you'd like to close. If you have multiple accounts, ensure you're accessing the specific one you wish to shut down to avoid any confusion later on. Once you're logged in and on the main dashboard, it's time to navigate towards the settings. You can find the settings option typically at the bottom left corner of your screen. It's essential to click there to access a variety of options that allow you to manage different aspects of your account. After selecting Settings, you'll see a range of options laid out before you. Here, your focus should be on the Businesses section. Click on it. This area is crucial because it deals with the core details about your business profile, and it is here that you'll initiate the account closure process. Now, as you scroll through the options under Business, look for the one that says Close Account. It's usually at the bottom of the page. Clicking here is your next step toward closing your account. Keep in mind that this action is rather permanent, so it's wise to ensure any necessary data or information is backed up or exported to another secure location if you'll need it in the future. Once data is erased, it could be difficult or impossible to retrieve, so taking a moment now can save you headaches later. Now, having clicked on Close Account, you're almost at the finish line. Stripe may present you with a few final prompts or confirmations. These are designed to ensure you truly wish to proceed with closing the account, verifying that it's not an accidental click. Take a moment to read any final prompts carefully and confirm your decision. And just like that, you've successfully closed your Stripe account. Remember, this process is designed to be straightforward, but if you run into any issues or have specific concerns, don't hesitate to reach out to Stripe's customer support for assistance. They're there to help you with any uncertainties or technical hurdles you might face. Thank you for following along today. I hope this guide made the process simple and clear for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more guides and tips. Have a fantastic day.